What's up, Cast Talk family, man? We at this damn car show. This shit look like it's doing it.
Where's that part over here?
Yeah.
Period, poo.
Green location.
I only got a Hemi, so we park it on the outside.
The outskirts.
My car has R though. My car looks better than a lot of cars over there.
They'll watch you pulling up now for sure. Yeah, they would. Got my motherfucker girl them.
Talk to you. Can you look this up on Facebook?
That bitch hard. Fuck with that.
Oh, right there?
That fucking hood hard too. That shit got me fucked. Shit crazy. It can't B-roll. My B-roll game is terrible. That shit is crazy. They got all that shit. Look at the detail. That shit hard. You got real detail. That bitch hard as fuck. They should have some fucking music out there, motherfucker.
Music?
Yeah. That shit hard too. Got an LS3 motor. That bitch moving, you already know it. It's fucking hot out here too.
This shit is way harder than this. That's the thing that you need for your car.
I know it. This shit hard too. Oh yeah, he got his shit done up though. That bitch hard. It's fucking hot out here. Got the BMW crew.
These?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's hard that they got here.
That shit is hard. Got the hammer shit going on here. That bitch chopping. Yeah, I like that goddamn color. He got them damn lights, them damn Lambo lights too.
Are you recording? We can't do nothing. We didn't go sit in the car. We went to the club. He goes to the damn car.
That was your ass get too.
That's Camaro. This is a good car.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What's up with it, bro? Your eye get cooler, bro?
What's good with it?
Yeah.
I feel like that probably sounds better like in the car. Are you still need to go to the car? Or you can wait?
I'll be alright. I just don't want to get too fucking hot. Shit. That's all. I missed that shit.
I missed it too. Go ahead, well, I'm good. A lot of my stuff is probably blurry because I had it cinematic.
Look at this shit. All right, Grandpa. Oh, that's not, man.
Oh, that bitch all bad.
Not even moving,
I know. They got a chandelier up in that motherfucker.
No, we're not. It'll be over. What the fuck is that?
That'd be hard.
I need a bike next. I'll buy me a bike. I won't ever drive it, but
50K views.
likes.
We need 50K followers.
Okay,
Subscribers. Huh?
Okay. We get to 50K subscribers. I'm gonna buy a bike.
Alright. Much better. Much better.
You need a fan, that's all.
Yeah, every time I come outside.
I can't drive no quiet, it's so bad. You gotta take it the day you buy it to get the fucking pipes deleted. What the fuck are y'all doing?
Yeah, fact.
Might have to wait for the exhaust to come in, but you go get that redone.
Yeah.
You wanna go sit in the AC for a second?
Yeah, we came to the car real quick because I was hot as a bitch. Ugh. Yeah, we had to come to the well.
Don't get my fat.
Alright, your body can't even see down there.
Yes, huh? I seen it. That's the first thing I seen on the damn camera.
Do what?
That's the first thing I seen. Yeah.
Bro, what's up with this bullshit?
Wait,
Y'all, bro, that shit in my mouth, bro.
where's my gun, bro?
Bro,
You
I
better know
can't
to
even.
stole it.
I might stole your gun, bro. What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna put this pink pussy on.
What? There you go.
Yeah. Fuck you thought. It really smells like little kid, but not pink pussy.
Little girl. Talking about, she always be talking about, oh, my damn chin, my leg, my toe.
That's why I need a BBL.
Like, bro, shut the hell up.
I need a BBL.
And catch the eyes.
50K subscribers, he'll buy me a BBL.
Bro, y'all believe that shit if y'all want to. Don't let her goddamn fool y'all, man. You know what I'm saying?
Wait. 50K subscribers, I'll buy my own BBL. Fuck you
Damn.
lie.
Oh, yeah? You know, we in Florida, right? So it's very humid out here, man. So that shit be
And
too
it is
much.
93 degrees outside.
Bro, and it's nighttime. What the fuck? So we had to come hit to the car. But it's like, this shit's great. They just got like, they should have like music and shit going and shit like that. Like that would have made it like way better type shit. Like, it's a cool vibe. Is that RoboCop? Oh no! Oh shit! My bad.
What the fuck was that?
Dude leg is goddamn gone. My bad, y'all. He was walking like RoboCop. I like looked
The
up.
fucking window is down.
Oh, your window up. You see me fucking talking? How about you? But yeah, so he was like walking like RoboCop. But I was like looking at him up. He had like a damn tank top on, but his leg was gone. So I ain't mean that. You know what I'm saying? I want to try to be funny. But yeah, we finna get back out there, man. We finna get back out here in the field. You know what I'm saying? We in Destin, Florida. Little car meet.
Crestview.
Huh?
Put up liquor near me and say Crestview liquor store.
Just probably trying to tell you something.
What?
You finna go to Crestview?
Ew. Don't put that on there with me.
Yeah, she is fucking crazy. This damn girl over here looking like that. My girl be wearing.
Really pregnant.
No, she was born like that. And then my girl, she be talking about my chin, my damn leg, my fucking toe. Man, get the fuck out of here with that goofy shit. I don't give a fuck about your damn big toe.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
I don't got nothing to drink.
Bro, dog, she be talking about, oh, let's come out here. She been doing nothing but complaining the whole time. Oh, I gotta go pee. Oh.
I have to pee. Yeah.
Now she thirsty. Now she can't fucking look at her.
Get the old school car. Yeah. And you get it every Let's try
That motherfucker hard.
right here.
Oh, it's 1,000 horsepower. Shit, 1,000 horsepower, man.
Get those cables. Can we get those cables out of the way?
Fuck with that. This a SS?
2SS, yeah.
2SS?
I bought it this way, and then I kept it when I built it up some more. So
Okay.
easy maintenance.
Yeah.
Pop them off.
Yeah.
Not like a turbo, not like a top blower and stuff.
Yeah.
More power. So.
So you feel like you get more power out the...
And yeah, that's the D1X 1000.
You drive on the opposite side of the car or tripping? It is the opposite side.
The normal guy did all the young DOS cars, so I got the DOS U24.
Damn, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard as fuck.
Yeah, you posted on Instagram? I've seen it, I think.
Oh, the fucking low light is tripping. Hold on.
Yeah, they're out of the Raptor R.
Huh?
They're out of the Raptor R,
What's that?
the F-150 Raptor.
Oh,
With
yeah.
these headlights.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that shit hard. That bit hard as fuck. Fucking with that. Yeah, that bitch hard, brother. Oh, that bitch supercharged too? Oh, yeah. I knew that you wasn't gonna come playing, goddamn. Robbery type shit.
A few moments later.
This didn't play the fucking music! I'm crying, bro. That's fucking hilarious. Why did it do that?
About the nighttime, baby.
Bro, we were jamming. It didn't even get the fucking music.
You was jamming, not me, buddy.
Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious. I'm crying. That's fucking. I'm posting that on TikTok.
Go look at that chandelier, man. I fucking sweat my ass off, gang.
It's really funny because I usually don't pay attention to people looking at me, and every time I turn around, there's somebody like
They trying to see how big it is back there, man. I'm telling you. Not the hippie, man. What the fuck?
Step back.
The what?
Rat.
Oh, you got rats and skull. Well, what you on, bud?
What's the name that they actually say for that?
For what?
Like, where the fuck is Medea? No. Who is that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You gotta know what I'm talking about.
I have no fucking clue. I have zero clue.
Where the fuck is you at?
Zero clue.
Nice. It's like a sexy fun, like.
Oh shit, what? What gang? What? Y'all, it's hot as hell out here, man. Like, I'm fucking sweating, bro. Oh God, sweaty body. Y'all see me, man? Shit, sweaty, man. This shit's great though, just like they ain't got no fucking music. Like, this shit like, if they had music, it'll be hard, bro. Like, it'll be really like one of like them type of like events type shit.
Where we going?
And there ain't no police out here like fucking with nobody, so the shit's straight. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the big body. Is that a BBL?
No.
Yeah.
All natural, baby.
Oh shit, it came like that, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, okay then. Alright y'all, so like I'm gonna give y'all my little honest opinion about the little, my honest opinion about that little car. I don't know if you wanna call it a car show or whatever, but like I was saying earlier, they gotta add some music, bro. Like the music gonna set the whole vibe. It ain't gotta be nothing like no crazy music, but just, it kinda like, you know, music always help anything like just be a whole lot better type shit. So you kind of want to have like some music playing, and other than that, like it was great. We should have came. Oh shit, yeah, that shit was hitting for real. But we should have came out here with like more friends or whatever too. So next time we'll have some people coming with us to make it more of a vibe for us too. But you know, just music just helps whatever type shit. It's just like a little 2-hour event from like 7 till 9. It's kind of hot out here, but you really can't. That ain't out. I mean, shit, you know, it be like that. I didn't bring my car because I didn't want to drive two cars. And then like, there's some shit on my car that I want to get fixed too. I don't want to just bring my car out here. Like one of my, like my little wing on my damn front splitter, that shit need to be fixed, bro. I didn't want to bring my shit out here looking like that. Oh yeah? Yeah. Oh yeah? Sorry about the lighting, y'all. There, you know, I'm darting up in this bitch. Waiting for her to come out the damn thing, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at his ass, bro. Y'all see that? God. That is crazy. Through the door. Through the door with it, y'all. That is crazy, bro. Look at that damn retard behind her with the fucking mustache. Look at this fucking mustache. I can't zoom in no more, bro. Look at this nigga mustache.
Oh my God, no way.
I gotta get mustache, man, when he come out, y'all. I gotta get his motherfucking ass. All that shit going on there, boy.
Missed him.
Who?
The dude with the mustache?
Oh! Y'all.
That's hilarious.
We missed the mustache, man. She was like, you already missed him. I'm like, how the fuck you know what I was doing? Tell him.
When he walked in the store, I started smiling because I already knew P was going to be on some stupid shit.
Damn, I fucking missed him, bruh. I want y'all to see that extra mustache having that nigga. His mustache was like on your shoulder.
It was big for sure.
For real, I'm telling you.
Alright, what's over there?
That nigga mustache was sitting right on her fucking left shoulder.
And he walked in smiling, so he was like...
He walking in.
Put on like this.
Oh! Man, we back, y'all. We back, babe.
What they cooking over there?
Baby, I was getting cooked. I was the one that was getting cooked. My fucking bet hit at the last minute, baby, like in overtime. I got cooked now, but it was gonna be way worse, bro. It was gonna be cooked. You feel me? I'm still cooked, but I ain't cooked. You hear me?
Walk in the house, tell the count up. I make the old people been the good so we can always.
So what's your what you think about the that little car show?
It's okay. It's kind of meh.
What you think they could have did better?
I don't know. They should have had music. They should have had food trucks. You could have put a little bounce house out there for some kids.
Yeah.
They didn't have no drinks, no food.
But what if that was like their first time doing that shit?
That's not. They be having car shows out there all the time.
What they put up?
But it was better than I expected though, because I thought it was gonna be like old ass like country shit. But it's not.
You got fucking fatter?
We got that Don Julio, make you out of Julio.
Your real name is Julio. All right, then. Yeah, that's done right there.
He just picking up his teeth?
No, I gotta do somebody's mode.
So I need to make my drink inside?
So I'm gonna take
He's like, damn, I didn't sign up for freaking TV.
yeah. Take one step to the right. There you go. So I'm gonna take 3 pictures. Boom, 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 and then a video. So just bite down. There you go. Just look straight. There you go. Bite down. All right. Boom. Damn, this is hard as fuck. Yeah, boy, got that motherfucker. 808, the big way, the cast top way. What the fuck? That ain't what we drinking?
What are you drinking?
I thought we were drinking Tito's. Bro, what the fuck? That is crazy.
I asked you what you wanted to drink.
I thought you meant Tito's.
Why would I ask? You should have said Tito's. You can go get some Tito's.
What are you trying to do to me?
Maybe I don't fool you.
Y'all, look what she trying to do, man. Let me see that little bottle, man. I told her, let me just buy a little bottle because we ain't drinking that much.
This is the smallest bottle they
That's
got.
small, but what the fuck? We don't drink that regular?
Nah, I'll probably be sick after the fact.
Pray for me, man. Straight up.
Let me make a video.
Yeah, y'all send some prayers up, man. She got them tight ass pants on. I don't know what she trying to do to me.
We went to the liquor store. He didn't want to get out. I said, what are we drinking? He said, it don't matter. Get whatever you want. Well, I paid for it, but get whatever. So I'm like, okay, you don't want to tell me what the fuck we're drinking. So.
She done watch too much YouTube and Instagram.
Yes.
Bro, she done poured all the drink in my damn cup, y'all. What the fuck?
That's not even your cup.
Yeah, that's yours now.
on. Nothing. Having Fanta just sound good. I should have got some like Sprite. Lock the door.
That's them out there
They
still.
left.
No, they didn't.
Who pulled off then?
Somebody else.
Well, we need to go outside this baby. Pull up, pull up. Shake some booty.
Oh, you ain't shake nothing. You ain't shake nothing.
I can't shake nothing in no jeans.
Just a little jiggle, man. What the fuck is... No, that... No. No.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
What the fuck is going on here? Bruh, hell nah. What the fuck is going... Bruh. Y'all say a prayer for her, man.
He didn't want me to be a freak no more.
What do you mean by that?
So...
No, you didn't want to be no freak no more.
No, you don't want me to be a freak no more.
I ain't drunk shit. You thought you were
But I
drunk.
haven't eaten today, so I'm already tipsy off of half a cup.
That's crazy. You thought you were drinking. My cup is gone. Nah, y'all.
My shit is strong. This is the one I poured.
I don't want no fucking Fanta, bro.
You can't taste the Fanta.
I done lost everything, I never lost my self-esteem.